Hey friends, welcome to my channel. It's Jasmeet from Bombastic Nail Art, and today I have Born Pretty gel polishes for my review. The first one is from Reddish Purple series, it's Peachy New Year, and the second one is White Blooming Gel. Another thing I have is this liner brush from Born Pretty. It's very thin and the quality is really nice. I'm going to use these nail art swatches for my review. These are 6 ml bottles, and the good news is Born Pretty started base and top coats in 10 ml bottles. And here it goes, it's matte top coat by Born Pretty and it's 10 ml bottle. This is how this shade looks. It's hot pink. I don't know whether the right shade is capturing in my camera or not, but it is a hot pink shade and the name is Peachy New Year. I'm making a rough design, and it's taking the shape automatically. I love these blooming gels. They make such a beautiful design, and there is no need to be perfect. I'm not so good in fine drawings and freehand nail arts, and I simply love these designs. So let's cure it. I've used this portable UV light to cure the design. So let's apply the matte top coat. It's a tempered matte top coat by Born Pretty. It's a 10 ml bottle. Let's apply matte top coat. See how soon it turns matte. It's completely mattified, and I hope you enjoyed my review. I'll be back with some more reviews and nail art tutorials soon, so do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you. Bye bye friends.